In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to multiply two columns in Notion effectively and efficiently. Whether you're managing project budgets, stocks, or just trying to calculate a simple multiplication, knowing how to do this in Notion can be really handy. So, let's dive right in. First, you'll want to head over to your connected workspace in Notion. This is where all your wikis, docs, and projects live, so just navigate your way there. It's important to remember that Notion is a versatile tool that can support multiple functionalities, so it provides a lot of flexibility when handling your documents and data. Once you're in your workspace, your next step is to log into Notion if you haven't already. Simply click on the Login button. This step ensures you have access to all your existing databases and documents, which is crucial because we'll be working directly with them. After you've logged in, navigate to your Notion home. This is your dashboard where all relevant workspaces and pages are organized for easy access. It's kind of like your central hub in Notion, and it helps keep everything streamlined. Now, locate and click on your database page. This is where we'll set up our columns for the multiplication. If you haven't created a database yet, the first thing to do is to set one up. But assuming you have that ready, let's move on to the numbers. Add two numbers into your database. These numbers are what you want to multiply. Typically, they would be in separate columns for clarity, perhaps one labeled quantity and the other rate, or something similar, which you're interested in multiplying together. With your numbers in place, the next thing to do is to utilize Notion's powerful formula feature. Click on the formula option to set up a new column. This column will perform the calculation for. Notion's formula capability is quite flexible. It can handle not just basic arithmetic, but also more complex calculations if needed. Finally, enter the formula that will multiply your two selected columns. It's as simple as referencing the first column, adding a multiplication operator, which is the asterisk, and then the second column. So, if your columns are named column A and column B, your formula would reflect something like prop column A, prop column B. And there you have it. You've successfully multiplied two columns in Notion. Once this is set up, any updates you make to the numbers in your database will automatically be reflected through this formula, freeing you from manually recalculating each time there's a change. Hopefully, this tutorial has provided a clear understanding of how to make calculations between columns in Notion. It's a straightforward process that, once mastered, can greatly enhance your workflow efficiency. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this demonstration useful.